Sangeeta. After completing 21 years in the Indian Air Force, I took pre-release in 2019, and since then I have been training candidates for preparing towards SSB. I also I teach in Doon Defence Academy, and there has been one particular query that most of the students have been asking me, and the query is that when should we start preparing for NDA examination? So this is the generic query that every child, the moment he thinks of deciding of joining Defence Forces, he has this query in his mind. So my advice to all of you is that the moment you complete your class 10th standard and you enter into class 11th, that is the best time for you to start preparing for NDA, because the pressure for 12th board has still not mounted. So I would also like to give a news over here, and I am very happy to announce that the Doon Defence Academy, which is in Dehradun, where I am also taking the psychologist classes, has also started a foundation course. Now this course is for students who will have just entered class 11th. So the moment you enter class 11th, along with your 11th and 12th preparation, your preparation for NDA and for other defense services, such as in case you want to also join Merchant Navy, this foundation course is going to give you that basic for your class 11th, 12th as well as for your NDA preparation. So this is a very good opportunity. I would advise all the students who are listening to this video that in case you really aspire to join NDA or Merchant Navy, you must avail this opportunity. It is a very good opportunity because DDA has got an experience of training candidates of almost 15 to 20 years. And with this experience, you are definitely going to benefit in this foundation course also. And there is one more point that I would like to say, that a lot of children towards the end of class 11th, they start thinking of preparing for NDA, but then your pressure for your board mounts so much that you're not able to prepare. So here this foundation course is going to take you stepwise through your entire curriculum in terms of your physical fitness, be it your preparation for the written examination for NDA or for your guidance towards the SSB. All of them are going to start from the moment you enter into class 11. So it is a full-fledged residential training program. It's a residential course, and the admissions registrations for the same have already commenced. The course is going to start from April onwards. I would request all the defense aspirants to avail this opportunity, because it is once in a lifetime opportunity that you must avail if joining the defense forces is your passion, and that is where you really want to go. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.